was so good to see so many people together who are interested in improving the South East London response to alcohol.
So I'm Ruth Hart, I'm Director of Public Health in Lambeth, and I guess ostensibly lead the alcohol work stream for South East London. But in the room today, we've got a mix of people from public health, from clinical services, from licensing, from social care. There's a whole range of people in the room.
My name's Ed Davey. I am an alcoholic, and 14 years I haven't picked up a drink.
And then me starting drinking, I end up having so many issues all the time. I end up in hospital like in a year. I think I have 21 times I end up in hospital in one. It wasn't even a year, it was at least 6 months.
Is there more we could do to reduce the advertising and effects?
There's the evidence around minimum unit price.
Interesting, we were able to pull out the data in the background of this to look at the drinking habits and behaviour.
It was definitely buzzing. You can feel the energy and everyone aiming for the same thing.
Really informative.
Just people who are obviously passionate about what they do. It's lovely to see.
Really made me think differently about it, and I've got lots of stuff swirling around in my head that I need to kind of take away and settle.
Well, it's such a nice environment, good vibes, and I've taken a lot of knowledge from here.
I think it's extremely important to have the events, because the most important thing is that everybody works together, knows each other and understands what everybody else is trying to do.
It is a great way of actually building relationships and making new connections.
You get so much more from it being in person and having these discussions that are more conversational.
For me, just seeing that there is a lot that we can actually do just by coming together and knowing each other.
There's a real appetite to make a positive difference.